Simple project. This is a mess. And this is much better. Today's episode we'll be talking, or we'll be building this little shelf for a microwave cart. Let's do it. Lovely new points about moving into a new place, having no storage for anything, especially when you downsize from a 2,300 square foot home to an 820 square foot home. Got to find room for everything somewhere. So I'm out playing with my wood and building some storage shelves today. That's the project for the day, so let's get into it. And make sure you spend some time to round off the edges. Last thing you want to do is cut yourself on some sharper edges when you're pulling your mac and cheese out of the microwave. Simple sanding tool, just round over the edges. Now we won't get cut. And always remember that when you're experimenting with new tools, aka the jigsaw, you may just learn something. Like you could actually catch it on fire and have it start smoking. if you don't do it properly. But hey, that's why we test. That's why we try new things, right? To learn, to grow. I'm my Dr. Phil now. Bye. So what? No, not yet. They didn't do that. They were playing the water. Well. Mama. shelf.
Clean him up at all.
Hmm?
You didn't clean him up at all. He is still covered.
Nap time's over, back to the work again. So, come to find out, this box is looking good, but a microwave's gonna sit in it. I need a hole. I need to put a hole right there. All right, let's do it. And there we go. As you can see, I messed up once. Come to find out, right where that hole is a beautiful, there it is, jeez, nail. Couldn't go through that. I gotta mess up something 5 times before I make it the right way. But nonetheless, behold, shelf's done. I'm happy with that. Let's install it.
I got stuff fitting. Hold on, it's okay.
Maybe.
Yeah, you see Macy. You see how good she's being. She let Mama come get you. You wait right there. No bridge.
All right, so it's bright as heck with a spotlight on it, but I realized I didn't have an outro for this video. I'm out here campfire editing on my phone. That's all I have at the moment. Still moving in. Haven't unpacked the desktop computer yet. Oh, that's bright. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. It was just a fun little project. I have 1,000 more shelves to build. The next one will be on the laundry room shelving unit. So stay tuned. If you're interested, check us out. And I hope you have a great day. God bless you. Bye-bye. Hey, Fire. Say hello. Oh, yeah. I don't speak fire.